Hello and welcome to Datazar. Today I'm going to show you how to create an under construction website at connect.datazar.com. So let's go to datazar.com and we're going to click the login button right here. And we're already logged in, so that takes us to dashboard on the main menu. Let's go full screen. And to create the under construction website, you're going to click on the website button right here. And quickly though, let's take a look at our website that we've been working with. This is just a demonstration website that we're using for this. And we created this post right here, how to create an under construction website. And the reason is to have a placeholder website while you're working on your default website. That's, the reason people would want to do that. And these are the steps. We're going to go over these in just one moment here. And then also here's the steps for adjusting your hosting. And so if you're watching this tutorial video from our help site, you're going to see all of this posted underneath the tutorial video. And if not, you can always pause the tutorial video if you want the written instructions. So let's tab back over. So we started out on dashboard, and then we went to the website button. And then to create, after you go to the website button, to create the website, you're just going to click on the plus sign. There's a drop-down menu, and click on Create New Website. And the website name, we're going to use the same website name as our website, Hike Less Traveled. So this way, if you don't have a logo, it's going to show as your website name. So that's the reason to use the same website name. And we're going to click Create. And now we have our domain here on our default site. And then we have the new website we just created, Hike Less Traveled. No domain yet. But what we're going to do is we're going to adjust the hosting here in just one moment. But first of all, to work on this website, to create the under construction website, you're going to click the Edit Pages button right here, across from the new website that you just created. And you're going to edit the home index page because that's where people land. So click on the Edit button. And scroll down, go to the editing screen. We're going to center this. And welcome to hikelesstraveled.com. And let's go ahead and just bold that. Oops. Let's go ahead and bold it. And we'll go, let's say 18 point. Might be a little large. Let's go 14 point. And then we're going to hit enter. And then we're going to add an under construction image. So go to Insert Edit Image. Click the up arrow. And we're going to find it under Free Images. So click on Free Images. Under construction is what we're going to search. And there's all sorts of under constructions right here. Let's go to the next page. And the one I want to use is this one right here. So go ahead and click on that. Click on Use This Image. Click OK. And there it is. So you can adjust the size of it. We're going to leave it large, but if you want to drag the corner, you can adjust the size. And that looks pretty good. So we'll click Update. And then let's go back to the website button. So we updated this page already. Go back to the website button. And now what we need to do is we need to get our domain down here. So to do that, we're going to go to the Domains button and adjust the hosting. So click on the Domains button. And then this is our default website here. And click the blue Settings button. And then click on Hosting. And then click the Edit button right here. And then on the drop-down menu, you'll see that we have two Hike Less Traveled. The top one's always the default website. So what we want to do is host on the bottom website, the one that we just created. So click on the bottom and click Update. And now it's hosting on the bottom website, the newly created website. let's take a look. Let's go back to the website button. And you'll see that the domain's no longer with our default website. It's now deploying under Hike List Traveled right here. It's going to take a few minutes to deploy, so we're not going to take a look at the website, but it is going to show as our under construction website. We might try to take a quick peek at it at the end, but let's quickly, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what you do. Quickly though, let's go to the Help button on the main menu. And if you're just getting started building your website, features tutorial videos is a good place to go. If you want a lot of help or different subjects, click on the Help Center. And this takes you to help.datazar.com. And there's all sorts of topics here, such as domain help. You can click on that. You can click on website help. Website help has all these different topics. And let's go ahead and let's just tab back over. And this is our Hike Less Traveled website. Let's refresh it, see if it's going to show. No, it's not going to show yet because it's not, it's still, if we go to the website button, it's still deploying. But once it deploys, it's going to show as the under construction website. So I don't know if this preview button, yeah. So it'll show as that. That's what it's going to show. That's the preview button. So tab, tab, tab. So once this deploys, it's going to show as it shows on the preview button. And let's go back to dashboard. And that's it. That's how to create an under construction website with Datazar Connect.